What's up everyone, Nicola here. Today we'll talk about laptop stickers, where to find the best stickers, how to get them for free, and also later in the video I'll talk about making your own stickers and making a profit off of them. So be sure to watch the video until the end. Also be sure to subscribe down below, so let's dive right into it. In the tech world there are two types of people, those who like stickers and those who don't. For example, I just like the clean design of a laptop, it just looks more professional, more minimalist, but I also like stickers because they're just so much fun, and by buying stickers you just show appreciation and support for the creator that you like. For example, I have a lot of stickers of different creators that I support. Also, you can use stickers to promote yourself. For example, if you open up a laptop in a coffee shop or other public places, people will be like, wow, this guy has a Python sticker, he must be really smart, and stuff like that. So let's begin. Number one, and this one is the easiest one, just buy them. There are so many places online where you can just go and buy laptop stickers and you can find the ones you like. For example, you go to Amazon and type laptop stickers and there are just so many different packs of stickers for really low prices. You can find a lot of stuff there. Come on, you know what Amazon is. Next one is Devstickers.com. Now there's a lot of programming stuff there and software development stickers. So I suggest, even if you don't want to buy stickers, just go and check them out because there's a lot of programming stuff that you can learn about, that you can hear about just by looking at categories. For example, there's a lot of stuff I didn't even know existed, like women in tech. I'm kidding, but for real, there's a lot of stuff that I'm like, wow, I didn't know that existed. So be sure to check them out. You can also buy stickers from creators you support. For example, like half of my stickers are from Boss. He actually teaches a lot of JavaScript stuff. You can check out his Twitter. I really support him because he's a great teacher. So I bought his limited edition stickers. Now these are the stickers that I have on my laptop. I got a lot of these from different business events. I even bought some of these. For example, this one and this one and this one I got from a hackathon in Romania a few years ago. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one, and even this one I got from Boss limited edition stickers, and I actually bought them because I support him. This one, this one, this one, this one I got from different business events and business meetups that I attended. I also have a few that I haven't put on my laptop. For example, these packs, I also got them from different business events and different conferences. I have a few of Python from Python conference that I actually got from my friend that attended, and I didn't even be there to attend. So yeah, those are my stickers. And the last website for buying stickers is redbubble.com. Now I'll talk about this website a lot later in the video when I talk about making money from stickers, because this website operates like users can actually submit their own stickers, and oh boy, there's a lot of stuff there, so you can just go and check that out. Now let's talk about getting stickers for free. When we talk about getting stickers for free, there is only one legit way to do this, and that's by hitting that like button. But in all seriousness, getting stickers for free is really easy, and it's not even about stickers, it's about the knowledge you get. Most stickers I got for free are actually from conferences, from meetups, from different tech talks. So I suggest you just go to some free meetups, free conferences. There's a lot of them. You probably have a lot of them in your area too, so check them out. Companies go there to promote themselves, to promote their businesses, so be sure to check them out. You'll probably get a lot of stickers, and even more important, you'll get a lot of knowledge, great experience. So be sure to go to those free meetings. It's just awesome experience. Always remember guys, it's not about stickers, it's about the experience. So the last thing I want to talk about is making your own stickers and making money off them. So let's get back to the Redbubble platform. By signing up, you have the ability to upload your design and create your own stickers, and not just that, but t-shirts, mugs, protective masks and other stuff. Redbubble is actually a great option because it's free, it doesn't have any fees for putting up your designs, but it does take a percent of your income. So I highly suggest you just create your designs, put them up, place them on different products and just forget about them, because in a few months you'll see why it's so good when you start getting that money. For example, I haven't posted anything in a few years on Redbubble and I'm still getting like 20 to 40 bucks every month, which is a real passive income since I don't do anything right now and I still get paid for those designs. So I highly suggest and I highly recommend you just go there, place some designs, forget about them. When you start getting money, you'll see why I recommended this. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe and like button down below. So now I have a question for you. Do you prefer a laptop without stickers or the one with stickers? Let me know in the comments down below.